Welcome to the License Your Life's Work workshop page. I have been blessed to have produced a world-class audio meditation library, which has literally reached more than 2 million meditators over the last 7 or 8 years and generated hundreds of thousands of dollars of passive income. This has been something that I have trained other meditation guides, other content creators. I've learned so much about licensing partnerships, contracts, and I've also developed a pretty amazing list of meditation apps, probably about 100 different meditation apps that are looking for creators like you. And audio meditations aren't the only thing. If you are a prolific creator who has an incredible audio library, there are companies, institutions, and apps who are looking to license content exactly like the content you're creating. And one of the beautiful things about licensing your life's work is that you don't have to build an audience. They do the marketing for you. You give them their content, hopefully non-exclusively, so you can license it to other places, which is what I've done. And you can do that again and again and again. That generates pure passive income for you, which this day and age is pretty wonderful. All day and age is actually passive income is a wonderful thing. If you want to get my email templates for reaching out to get partnerships, if you want to get my spreadsheet with all of the apps that we've researched that are looking for you, and if you want to learn how to do licensing right, how to approach the companies, how to structure your emails, how to get people to say yes to you, then join this workshop because I'm going to be taking you through the whole process, and you might even send your first outreach email to your first app before the workshop's even over. So if that all sounds good to you and you want to license your life's work, join this workshop. It's not just for people doing meditation stuff. It's for people who are making amazing content on the internet and you want to expand it and license it to other companies. So if that sounds good to you, I'll see you at the workshop.